On this video, I assemble a controller for a submersible pump 1 horsepower, 220 vac, 3-phase. I use a V.F.D inverter because the supply voltage is single phase, while the submersible pump is 3-phase. After layouting for the component's position inside the panel, I need to remove it, then start to lay out holes for the pilot lights, selector switch, push buttons, and for the cable access. I need to put a guide hole first using a pan head screw so that it will make my holes aligned, and then after that, I will use a 25mm diameter hole saw to make hole for the selector switch, push buttons, and pilot lights. When making a hole using a metal hole saw, please be careful because it may injure you. This is my style or technique. When making a hole for a control panel, I will put the panel on the ground so that I can properly use my strength with less energy, and it will result into nice hole. After that, I will use a metal file to clean the sharp edges of the holes, and it's time put the devices using my magic edit. Ta-dan! And now let's put back the other devices inside the panel to mount it by clapping my hands. Charan! And now it's time to wiring the control circuit and the power circuit. This is how I set up my place. When I make wiring a panel by using a pair of chair, I put the panel on it because it makes me comfortable during the process. If you noticed something, I did not put a diagram beside me. Is that because I already know how to wire it without a diagram? For those who want to know the diagram for this, don't be sad because I will share it. And for those who are master for this work, please share also your ideas for us so that I can make more improvements of my workmanship. And then again, for those who seek a diagram for this controller, please visit my YouTube channel KIRIG or click the link below or in the comment section. Then, click my profile and go to my community tab. I put several diagrams on this section, but you can see the diagram if you are my member in my YouTube channel. So please, by supporting me, please click join to access the membership.
And it's done. Please don't forget to follow me and to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.